Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to insert a subpage in your Notion template. This is going to be different than what we do on the left side panel where we add a page. This is going to be a page inside of a page. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we can see write something or press space for AI / for commands. We're going to click the / so that we can bring up our basic blocks. Once we do that, we are going to go in and we're going to look for the word page. It's gonna look similar to what's on your screen. It should be the second option, or you can just type in page. Once you do that, this is gonna populate and it's gonna say untitled. You're gonna type in a title. This is you creating your sub page. So for me, I'm just gonna name it May. When we look up in the left-hand corner, you're gonna see that this is a page inside of a page because Learning Notion is the main page and then May is the sub page. So I'm just gonna click on Learning Notion and you're gonna see that we can now see that sub page. Once we hover over it, we can see that we have some details about what's in the page. This is just, I'm going in and adding something because I want to kind of show you what it looks like once you're hovering over it on your main page. So I'm just going to create a little quick to-do list and I'm going to go back to Learning Notion. And once we hover over that, we can see exactly what I typed in there. And that is how you insert a subpage in your Notion template. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find this to be helpful too. Thanks. Bye.